I shot this old architecture picture with default settings on the stock camera app on my Nexus 6P. I'll try now to give it a bit of vintage look with some vibrant colors in SNAPSEED and Lightroom free app. First, I will straighten the image using the rotate tool. Next, I will go to tune image and try to recover details from the darker parts. I will increase the shadows and apply this. Next, I will apply some contrast using curves using the preset soft contrast and apply this. Next, I will go to selective filter and increase the saturation of the sky, that is, increase the blues. And also the greens. I'll increase the brightness. And a little saturation. And I'll also increase the structure a bit on this old architecture, applying a little sharpening here. And I will also increase the saturation. And you can see the image already popping, and I will apply this. Next, I will try to apply some dodge and burn, but this time with curves. I will first darken the image, apply neutral, and first I will darken the image a little. And now I will bring back the brightness on some parts on the structure by going to the curves layer and tap the brush tool. Here, with the effect applied at 100%, you can see the mask is applied, and I will toggle the mask off. And with the brush settings at 0 transparency, I will just brush it on these pillars. Also removing the mask on these structures a bit so that it looks like they're popping a bit. Also popping the greens a bit by removing the mask. So here you can see where the mask is applied and where it is not, where I have removed the mask. And you can take your own time tuning it. So I will I will apply this. So here you can see the before and after. I will use the selective filter again to bring back some brightness in the greens. I will just increase the brightness a bit. The before and after. So now I'll do some color tuning and I'll go to Lightroom for that. So I'll share this image directly to Adobe Lightroom. So free app is enough for tuning the colors. So here in Lightroom app I will directly go to the color menu and mix. Here I will change the hue of the blues towards cyan a little bit, and also the oranges, which will affect the structure, more towards red a little, and also the greens towards yellow, be a little bit here. And also I will try to reduce the saturation of the blues a bit. Next I will go to light menu, curves. Here I will apply a little bit of contrast by darkening the shadows and brightening the midtones by dragging the curve upwards. And I'll crush the blacks a bit to give it a bit of faded look. So I'll go back to the original. So this is the before and this is the after. Thanks for watching.